video, we are going to use the discriminant to determine the number of real solutions of a quadratic equation. But what is the discriminant? Remember the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation that we have learned in the first video. The discriminant is this small part inside the square root, which is b squared minus 4ac. The discriminant tells us the following information about a quadratic equation. Number 1, it tells us if the solution is a real number or an imaginary number. And number 2, if the solution is one unique number or two different numbers. The nature of solutions depends on the discriminant. If the discriminant is positive, this means it has two real solutions. If the discriminant is equal to 0, this means it has only one real solution. And if the discriminant is negative, this means that there are no real solutions to the quadratic equation. Remember that to apply the quadratic formula, the equation must be written in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Now let us solve this example. State the value of the discriminant of 4x squared minus 3x equals negative 1. Then determine the number of real solutions of the equation. The first step to do is to write this equation in standard form. Second is to find out what is a, b, and c of this equation. After that, find the value of the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. This is equal to 9 minus 16 equals negative 7, which is a negative number, which means there are no real solutions to this equation.